What's up, everyone? I'm Richie Goad, Minister of Discipleship here at Catalyst Church, and this is Connection Group's Winging It. So today on Winging It, I have Jon Adams and Christopher Adams here. And Jon, along with his wife Maria, are going to be the host of the Summerfield Connection Group. And Jon, he's also going to be leading this connection group as well. And he decided to bring Topher with him to try out some wings and have some good conversation. So, you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. All right. So I'm thinking about you two, and what would be a good question that y'all be able to really dive into. And I immediately went to sports. Okay, and I was thinking, you know, if y'all were competing in the Olympic Games, I want you to share with me three events each that you could see yourself participating in, and maybe give us a little bit of an answer of why do you see yourself participating in those events. My man, Jon.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yeah, what you got, man?
Well, first will be swimming.
Swimming. Okay, nice.
I grew up a swimmer, sprinter.
Oh, okay. I didn't know
Pretty
that.
good, yeah.
Nice.
Love swimming, love the water.
Yeah.
Second would be basketball. Played basketball
Sweet.
my whole life. And the third one, they don't have basket weaving, do they?
I don't know if basket weaving is. I mean, that they need to, because that could get pretty competitive.
It could.
That could be cutthroat.
Third one, let's see, a third one.
You can play hockey.
Yeah, I played hockey. I played hockey growing up.
Get out of here.
Roller hockey, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Cool. So, swimming, basketball, and hockey.
Right.
All right. I can dig it.
If I had to pick three, I would probably pick basketball.
Basketball.
I play basketball. I would say soccer I could play. It's different from like World Cup soccer. It's not like at as much of a competitive level as like World Cup soccer.
Gotcha.
So I feel like I could do that. And then snowboarding.
Snowboarding. Okay. Now I'm curious about where'd you get snowboarding from? Do you just think it looks cool and it'd be cool to do that, or?
Well, yeah, I think it would be cool, and I've always wanted to snowboard and stuff.
Nice.
It just seems like really fun.
Gotcha.
And he does it at the house when it snows down the hill.
Oh, really?
Snowboarding. He's
Nice.
good at it. Has good balance.
That's awesome. See, I haven't seen like an actual full-on snow down here in Greensboro yet.
Yeah.
Can it snow pretty good here?
A
Or?
couple times.
Yeah, it
Couple
can.
times?
Maybe a couple times.
Gotcha.
A few years ago, we had like a foot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and like last year, nothing.
Yeah.
Hit and miss.
Gotcha.
We might get a few inches a year, enough to where they can get the sleds out.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to try our first hot sauce here. And this is called Ron Barron's.
Doing Ron's first.
Yeah, we're doing, well, both of them are Ron's. Both of them are Ron's. So we're going to do Ron Barron's replacement for Tabasco sauce.
Okay. Are we ready? Here, cheers.
Right. Cheers.
Cheers, Chris.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Flavorful.
Not that bad.
Not that bad.
You said that with some hesitation.
Yeah.
Couldn't really bite into it at first.
Let's put a little more on this next bite.
What?
There you go. Keep it going. You like Topher?
No reaction.
I couldn't tell. No reaction at all. All right, so next question I want to ask y'all, just kind of tell everybody a little bit about yourself, your background, how long you've been at Catalyst, what you do for a living, that kind of thing. Jon?
Okay. We've been at Catalyst for a while, not long after it started. We started coming, really love it, and really love the community. And that everybody's here to help each other. It's like we're a bunch of normal people trying to figure things out.
Yeah.
And we love that. And that keeps us attached. Love listening to Scott. Seeing his development as a preacher over the years.
Yeah, he's pretty great, isn't he?
He's done good.
Yeah,
He's
that's
done,
awesome,
and let me add that we're glad you're here.
Oh, dude, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, we're glad you're here.
Thank you, man. I'm glad to be here. Get to hang out with some cool cats. So, you went to App State.
Oh, you
went to App State, and then did you go right into the Postal Service?
I did. I graduated from Appalachian State with a degree in management. Looking for jobs, and the post office thing come along. I said I'll go into management there. Tried it. It's not a fun thing to do, so I retired in 2017 from the Postal Service, and now work part-time for Chick-fil-A.
Nice.
Doing their deliveries and their hospitality.
So, Topher, tell us a little bit about yourself, man.
I'm Topher.
Hi, Topher.
I'm 14.
Where you go to school?
I go to school, Northwest High School, Northwest Guilford. I'm 14, just in case you didn't know.
Oh, yeah, nice.
What do you like to do?
I like to play basketball. I like to play sports. I've been at the church for like 14 years.
Nice. There you go. Hey, and how old are you again?
14.
14? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I didn't get that the first 5 times.
Nice.
The first time he came to church,
Uh-huh.
I carried him in a baby carrier. He was 3 months old.
Been here ever since.
I was a little baby.
Little baby. Good night. That's awesome, man. All right. Well, let's try not to hurt ourselves with this next one.
Oh no.
Ron Barons calls this Ron's Hellfire sauce, and for really good
Hey,
Really good
there's no room
reasons.
for Satan in this church.
Well, that's
That's
exactly
why we
right.
shouldn't try the sauce, right?
No, well, that's exactly right, Christopher. But I think
To keep the devil at bay, you need to put some of this on your wound.
yes, this keeps the devil at bay. All right, you ready?
No.
Let's do a cheers on this one too, because we're gonna need it. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Wow. All right, listen, now drink some water. Is that the one you tasted?
Yeah, is that the one you tasted it?
Yeah. No reaction.
No, yeah.
It's
I feel like it's about to kick in.
Oh, dude.
I'm shivering.
It doesn't hit immediately. It
It
For
burns
me-
your tongue.
it does. For me, it had
Yeah,
like
no.
a fruity kind of taste at first, sweet, and then
then lights your mouth on
that
fire.
lights you up.
Are you shivering? Drink some
It was
milk.
so hot and cold.
You're right. First on it wasn't bad. It leaves a lasting heat.
It does. Oh gosh.
I thought I would be better at this.
Is that?
I love chicken wings. Ah.
Wow.
More milk.
And that heat's not dissipating.
Yeah, I know, right? Ugh.
I should have brought out some ice cream sandwiches.
That's good.
Wouldn't that be a bad idea? That one hit harder this week than it did last week for some reason.
Yeah. The eating it wasn't bad.
It's the after.
Just the after it just lights you up.
Oh.
And see, milk is supposed to dampen it. Mm-hmm. It's not doing it.
Do your job, man.
I guess they're gonna be hearing that on Sunday.
Excuse me.
It's gonna be awesome.
I'm a flavor.
You're a flavor guy.
Not a.
Well, okay.
Flavor over spice.
After we have, I can't even say I've recovered fully from it. Yeah.
I think I need some more milk.
Go grab the jug, man. So that was so hot, we had to restock on milk and also had to get some tissues and stuff for us. That's awesome. All right.
We
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So we start connection groups up here in a few weeks. Well, as of right now when we're recording this. But John, you've been in a connection group for a while, been part of connection groups.
Right.
Just fill me in kind of on what that has meant to you, the connection groups.
As it said, connection groups are the lifeblood of Catalyst, and I wholeheartedly believe that. We get there, we're a family, we look out for each other, we eat together, we talk together, we help each other out with things. It's a great environment. I encourage everybody to join a connection group. It's a really great environment. That's what I can say. It's like family. And I've been a firm believer that connection groups, Catalyst likes to be a church of disciples that make disciples, that we disciple each other in the connection group environment, as we do in the church environment, but more specifically in the connection group environment, because somebody might say something, you're like, we help each other grow, which is the goal of a disciple anyway.
Absolutely. And what's cool about that is the discipleship, it can intentionally come out of our connection groups.
Right.
And so that's great stuff. Awesome. Thanks for sharing, man.
Yes, sir.
Now, Topher, are you recovered yet, or?
Yeah, but every time I go like this, I just smell it.
Oh, yeah, right on.
We'll move it out of your way.
We'll move it towards me.
We good.
We good. No cap.
No cap.
Did I say that right?
Yeah, you're not capping.
No capping.
No cap.
So,
I guess.
Topher, tell us a little bit about your involvement with Catalyst. You're in the Catalyst Student Ministry Youth Group.
Yep.
And you are getting ready to go hang out with the high schoolers now as you transition up there. But being at Catalyst and being part of our youth group, what has that meant to you?
Well, being part of our youth group has really got me more connected to God, and has made me closer.
Nice.
Because we go to all these camps, we go to all these conferences.
Yes,
that's what it's called. Conferences. We go to all these conferences. CCYC, CIY, sometimes Park Springs.
Awesome.
And that really gets you more connected because you can have fun while what's the word?
While you're worshiping, or
worshiping.
While you're growing closer.
While you're
Awesome.
worshiping.
Dude, I'm glad to hear that word, like, that's one of my, like, light bulb goes off in my head words is connect, because that's a good word when it comes to relational discipleship. We're always connecting.
And a good way to connect is volunteering or serving. Chris serves in the children's ministry some. He does the sound some, and I try to welcome. I mean, that's a good way to meet people and get connected and build relationships.
For sure. Good stuff. All right. Well, if you are interested in becoming a part of John's connection group, find him. He'll be walking around. He'd love to talk with you. But you can also sign up for their connection group at catalystchurch.info/connection groups. And they will be meeting on Wednesday nights at 7 o'clock p.m. So, awesome. Man, thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir, brother. Y'all come join us.
We need to get like a handshake down, like you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, him and his mom's got one. And his brother got one.
catch the pinky.
Oh, you catch the pinky. Okay.
And, point finger.
Oh, I like that. That is.
I'll show you mine and his.
Okay, nice.
How you doing?
I know.
That's great. Hey,
Yeah, I made that up.
Can I try that?
Yeah, come on. Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm doing well,
Good,
John.
good,
It's
good.
good to see you. Good to see you.